How to record your own voice in 11 laps, just like this one. Check this out. A cold wind howled through the abandoned subways. That's my voice, and this is how I did it. Come here, click on voices, and then what you want to go ahead and click on is right here on the right hand side. Click on add a new voice. Now choose instant voice clone. And here you are basically going to record your audio. Before you do this, make sure you are not in a noisy environment. You don't need background noises. Your microphone quality should be decent, and you want to use consistent equipment if you are going ahead and uploading files here. But I'm just going to go ahead and record audio for this tutorial. Click on record audio and then choose your microphone and then click on start. All right. We need at least 10 seconds of audio. All right, so this is just a test run I am doing to show how to record your own video, record your own voice for 11 labs. And it's actually a very simple tutorial. And let me say this. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This classic sentence contains every letter in the English alphabet, making it a great way to test out pronunciation. And I really like. There we go. We have 30 seconds done. Now I can go ahead and toggle this one on, right? Make sure this is toggled on. Remove background noise from the audio recordings. This was only picked up because I was speaking while it was saying 3, 2, 1. Well, that's fine since we have this toggled on anyways. Click on next. And after this, under voice information, we'll have to add a label on our language, right? Select this as your language you used. I did English. And I'll name this tutorial 1. Right? Any name, it doesn't matter, whatever you want to name it as. This is for a tutorial. And then you can check this one. So go ahead now and click on save voice. And after this, it's going to finish up, it's going to initialize, and then we will be able to use our voice. We're going to test it out just now. So once this is done saving, and here we go. All right, now go ahead and click on Generate Speech. Under My Voices, here we have Voices, My Voices, click on Personal. Now we just did tutorial 1. We're going to go ahead and use this one. As you can see, I've recorded my own voice and I'm going to be using this. So Model 11 Multilingual V2. This is the latest one, the best one so far. It also picks up emotions. Stability, keep it at 50%. Similarity, 75%. Style exaggeration, keep it at none. And speaker boost, you can toggle this on. Now let's go ahead and generate this speech. Let's see how it does. All right, let's go. A cold wind howled through the abandoned subway station as James stepped cautiously. As you can see, that sounds exactly like me, and that's how you record your own voice in 11 labs.